Let's now turn to our Tidora Mitov. She's live in the East Village for us. And Tidora, you're tracking power outages this morning. Has anything improved there?
We've seen slight improvement, but then that improvement kind of meant nothing. It's all going back. So there was a little bit of improvement heading into the 5 o'clock hour. Now things just kind of went a little bit backwards. We're here in the East Village. It's just one of the many locations across Iowa that is currently dark. You can even see behind me the lights here on the stoplight are fully out, showing that it is without power. And also there are even some crews here on scene as well. And take a look at this. We'll show you the outage maps right now. So this is for Mid-American. There currently are over 13,000 customers here in the Des Moines Metro without power and 6,000 in Fort Dodge. That stayed roughly the same for the last hour. And over on Alliant, there are over 4,000 customers that are affected. So last half hour, we told you there was around 3,000, now 4,000 again. So things are continuing to stay the same, getting roughly a little bit worse. Energy crews told us last night that they were prepared for this blizzard.
We're taking an all hands on deck approach, making sure that we hold crews over if needed, that we bring in crews early if needed, that they are working longer shifts, and that we have backup crews that we can call in if needed.
And we'll keep you posted on those power outages as the morning continues. Now, since we've been out here, we've seen snow plows go through, but we do want to just show you some of this blowing snow. So even with those snow plows going through, it's not very helpful much. We've seen them on MLK. This is East 4th that you're looking on right now. You can even see a snow plow right there in the back. But you can see this blowing snow if you are looking down on East 4th, how the wind is just picking up that snow and kind of redistributing it. You can see the tracks here on the sidewalk of how the snow has been moving. And this blowing snow is lowering visibility. Normally from MLK you can see 801 Grand. We can't see it right now, Kaylin.
Okay, many crews working hard this morning to restore power and clear the roadways of that snow. Tidora Mitov reporting live for us. Thank you.